Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about, this was a test. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Smiles for Miles. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And he is discussing a delivery that did not go as a normal delivery would. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this email, how it actually is for Doordash UBerEats and Grubhub drivers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hello, I had an interesting DoorDash offer the other day. I was starting my morning delivery, received an order for Starbucks, 1 mile away for $5. I picked up the order, delivered it. Right away, I received another offer for McDonald's pay, $4.86 for 0.6 miles. Accepted. I went to pick it up, which was a block away. I got there, picked up the order, proceeded to the destination. Soon as I hit the direction button, I hear your drop-off is on the right. I never left the parking lot. The AI said, confirmed delivery, enjoy the food. This was a test. I don't eat McDonald's. Gave the food to a homeless guy. I received the pay for this offer. I talked with a seasoned veteran delivery guy doing DoorDash. He's never experienced this. Have you ever heard of this? Thank you for your time. Yeah, so I did a little research on this to see if anybody else had an exact scenario, but I have heard of certain merchants actually doing some sort of testing on their own for testing out the overall speed of the people who are working there. Like, they're trying to see who is actually doing their job at McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? I never heard AI say anything from this company, but I have seen instructions saying, hey, test order, whatever, like that. And it's either going to nowhere, it's either just staying in the parking lot, or it's just going around the block to a guy in a car, and it turns out that's the merchant testing their own people. This is specifically for places that are notoriously slow. Now, I haven't heard of anything like this happening recently, so I don't think they're still doing it, but I have heard of tests like this taking place. So if that's the case, so if you got a McDonald's that's being thoroughly tested, I am kind of happy for you, to be honest. I'd rather 1,000 times deal with a customer or a McDonald's that is being held accountable to make sure that they are doing their job to the best of their ability, as opposed to just keeping us gig workers on the back burner and discriminating against us, because that's been a growing problem for a long time, especially with merchants and fast food restaurants. Even though you don't like McDonald's, I'm glad that you are seeing that this is being proven to be a test. If anybody else is actually experiencing an exact scenario like this, let me know in the comments and tell me what you guys think about this, because I think that this is an interesting find. If you guys also have something you wanted me to go over, my email is drivenwyld@gmail.com. Feel free to email me there, and who knows, maybe you'll get a shout out in a video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.